Hi lovelies, welcome back to Create with Chidex. My name is Chidima, and in today's video I'll be showing you how I made a fully edible mango fruit pot cake. But before I start, I'd like to share with you that I will now be releasing my cake videos every 2 weeks. This will help me focus better and bring more amazing cake videos to your screen, so please do bear with me. In other words, I'll still be releasing my cake videos on Mondays, but instead of weekly, they will now be every fortnight. Now let's move on to today's video. I started first by making the plate for the mango chunks. I lost the video showing the process for this particular plate, but I've made a similar plate in the past, so I will show you the process that I followed, which is the exact same process I followed for this particular mango plate. So basically, I mixed up a batch of my edible hard gelatin plastic recipe, and I'm going to use the mixture to form my plastic plate. If you are interested in this recipe, I'll leave a link to it in the description box below. So to form the plastic plate, I placed some acetate sheets inside the tray. Then I already froze some water inside the plastic plate that I was going to mold. This will help the gelatin stick properly to the plate. And then now I'm just going to pour my mixture all over the surface of the plate. After pouring the mixture over the plate, I set it aside to dry. It usually takes some time to dry. Mine dried in about a week. So if you're going to do this, just try to plan ahead. After mine had dried, I gently took off the gelatin plastic plate from the real plate. Like I said before, I lost the video showing the initial process where I poured the gelatin mixture over the real plate. However, I was able to find the video showing me removing the real plate from the gelatin plate. To make the mango chunks, I cut a piece of chocolate cake that I had into random shapes and sizes. Next, I covered each of the cake pieces with buttercream. I'll cover the rest of the cake pieces off camera. All the cake pieces have now been covered in buttercream, so now I'm going to cover each one with yellow modeling chocolate. When I have finished covering all the cake pieces with modeling chocolate, I will set them aside to give the modeling chocolates a chance to harden up. And when it's hard enough, I'll use the knife to roughen up the sides a bit and also sharpen the edges. When all the mango cake pieces are ready, I'll put them into the edible gelatin plate. Next, I'll trim a piece of edible cellophane sheet that I had to a little over the size of the top of the plate. If you'd like to find out how I made this cellophane sheet, click on the pop-up above. I made a mixture of gelatin, some water and a little glycerin, then melted it in the microwave, and I'm going to use this mixture as my glue to glue on the cellophane sheet to the plate. To complete the cake, I printed and cut out some edible labels on edible wafer paper. Then I attached these labels to the top of the plate using some water. And there you go. Our mango chunks cake is ready. and as usual, I'm going to cut it up.
I found a picture we took many years ago, when I said to you we would never grow old. Messages I've saved that I never send, cause I don't know you, but I used to back then. I remember that I was drunk out my mind when we kissed for the first time. In the back of your car we passed out counting stars. Promise to be.
Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you in 2 weeks. Bye.